Good evening, Pearl.
Good evening.
Here's a question. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you so much for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For me, Botswana's diamonds are more than what is created in the ground. Of course, they built schools, they built hospitals and gave us stability. But more than that, Botswana are the true meaning of Botswana's diamond. With the challenges that we faced, with economic crisis that we faced, we stand firm with unity, with both, with respect, and that's what is make us Botswana's diamonds. We are patriotic, we're here to build nations, and we are strong with unity. That is Botswana's diamonds. Thank you so much.